Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Toyota Corolla Ascent Hatch, stock reference number 4730. This shape runs from the 10th month 2009 through to the 9th month 2012. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left power door mirror indicator type, left front door has one small dent, left rear 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror indicator type, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 4-switch type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with a display button. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.